Total Log Cabin Restoration recently received a call from John Guss. John is the Historic Property Superintendent for Alamance County Recreation and Parks, located in Burlington, North Carolina. John needed a restoration company to help restore a small one-room log cabin located on the historical Garrett Farm in Cedar Rock Park. The log home, constructed in 1830, is part of the farm's historical museum that is open to the public for daily tours. Since 1830 to present date, the cabin has not received any maintenance, so it's not surprising that it's in dire need of repairs. With the structural integrity now compromised, John will rope the cabin off for safety reasons. Getting the cabin structurally sound again will be the priority and the first order of business. Total Log Cabin Restoration's master carpenter Mike will be first on the job, assessing the materials needed to begin the repairs. Mike is not only a skillful carpenter, he's a talented artisan capable of milling the replacement logs, assuring a perfect match. Along with replacing damaged logs, Mike will replace the roof with 1-inch cedar shingle shakes, and from his workshop, he'll build the new entrance door, also replicating the 1830 original cabin. Once the carpentry repairs are complete, the restoration crew will step in for the finishing process. Before applying fresh new stain, the logs are treated with a borate and B treatment to prevent future damage to the wood. The logs will receive 2 coats of deep penetrating oil stain, and the loose and broken chinking will be replaced and reinforced with the cement chinking. This cabin is back in business and once again safe for public touring. When it comes to restoring a historical log cabin, you can count on the experts from Total Log Cabin Restoration.